कर्नाटक में स्पेशल इंटेंसिव रिवीजन यानी SIR का अहम मरहला 30 जून से शुरू हो रहा है, जिसमें घर घर जाकर वोटर डेटा जमा किया जाएगा। कर्नाटक के चीफ इलेक्टोरल ऑफिसर वी अंबु कुमार के मुताबिक ये अमल 5 अगस्त 2026 को ड्राफ्ट वोटर लिस्ट जारी होने तक होगा। ये अमल 20 जून से शुरू हो चुका है और अब तक 11 करोड़ से ज़्यादा फॉर्म छपाए गए हैं। रियासत में इस वक्त 5,56,74,064 रजिस्टर्ड वोटर्स हैं। हर वोटर को 2 पहले से भरे हुए फॉर्म दिए जाएंगे। एक फॉर्म वोटर तस्दीक और दस्तखत के बाद अपने पास रखेगा और दूसरा BLO के पास जमा होगा। इलेक्शन कमीशन ने BLO और ERO के राब्ता नंबर वेबसाइट पर जारी किए हैं। अगर कोई घर बंद हो तो दरवाजे पर स्टिकर लगा दिया जाएगा ताकि वोटर खुद आकर फॉर्म ले सके। हुकाम ने वाज़ेह किया है कि फॉर्म किसी पड़ोसी या गैर मुतल्लिका शख्स को नहीं दिया जाएगा। इस अमल में 59,000 से ज़्यादा BLOs, 6,000 सुपरवाइज़र्स और 72,000 से ज़्यादा बूथ लेवल एजेंट शामिल हैं। हर फॉर्म में QR कोड होगा और वोटर 11 मंजूर शुदा शनाख्ती दस्तावेज़ात में से कोई एक इस्तेमाल कर सकेगा। 20 से 29 जून तक तैयारी और तरबियत हुई, जबकि 30 जून से 29 जुलाई तक घर घर सर्वे होगा। ड्राफ्ट वोटर लिस्ट 5 अगस्त को जारी होगी। एतराज़ात 4 सितंबर तक जमा किए जाएंगे और हतमी वोटर लिस्ट 7 सितंबर को शाया की जाएगी। आपके ख्याल में SIR के दौरान सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या हो सकता है? अपनी राय कमेंट में बताएं।
Intensive revision of Karnataka has started. The qualifying date for this exercise is 1st October 2026. The house-to-house visit by the BLOs will start from 30th June to 29th July. Publication of draft roll will be on 5th August 2026. Period for filing claims and objections will be from 5th August to 4th September. Notice phase, disposal of claims and objections will be from 5th August to 3rd October. Publication of final electoral roll will be on 7th October 2026. As far as Karnataka is concerned, the entire machinery is geared up to take this exercise. 68,123 officers, is that including 59,050 BLOs, 7,556 booth level supervisors, and 224 EROs, and all the officers from the chief electoral officer up to DEOs are already trained by the officers, and they are all ready to take up this exercise. Regarding political parties are concerned, they are already appointed 1,15,000 booth level agents. Majority of them are trained. Regarding printing of forms are concerned, we have printed forms for 5,54 lakh plus voters whose names are there in the electoral roll as on 16/6/2026. And it's been distributed to the BLOs at the polling station level. Our BLOs will start distributing enumeration forms to all the voters whose names are there in 23 electoral roll from tomorrow, from 30th June up till 29th July. I request all the voters kindly paste your photo, fill the form, sign the form, and please ensure that you have returned it back to the BLO. And we have given 2 types of stickers to our BLOs. One square purple type sticker which is for delivered the forms, and the red type sticker which will be for houses which are locked. So the red type sticker will have dates of the BLO when he will be visiting the next time also. And every enumeration form will have the BLO's name and BLO's mobile number. I'm requesting all the voters, if you want any information regarding filling the form, you can call the BLO. For the sake of the voters, we have created voter registration center at every Gram Panchayat level, and the information has been already given, and you can get your BLO's name, BLO mobile number, polling station location, voter registration center location, every information of ERO and ARO in our website. We have given all the information to you. It's for your sake only. And it's a partially filled enumeration form, so you need to fill certain columns of the form. So kindly, once again, I'm requesting all of you, kindly fill the form, sign the form, and give it back to BLO. And after BLO receives the form, we will start digitizing the forms. For that also we have made all the arrangements. So, and I sincerely thank all the political parties for appointing booth level agents and creating awareness to the people. And I thank all my BLOs for doing mapping more than 90%. And I request all the officers concerned to take this innovation exercise very seriously, and it shall be completed as per the schedule given by ECA. So I am very hopeful and requesting everybody kindly participate in the exercise and ensure that you are enrolled in the voter roll. Thank you.
Sir, if you can explain this logical discrepancy.
Regarding logical discrepancy is concerned, as of till draft roll is published, we will not be collecting any document from the voters. So I once again I request all the voters, please don't give any document till the enumeration phase is completed to the BLO. We will not ask for any document. After draft roll is published, if there is any discrepancy in the details, a notice will be served to the concern where we may need to ask for some document for verification purpose. So we will explain in detail regarding what is the discrepancy, how many notices is generated, what is the period to reply, and all these issues will be given at the later stages. But as of now, till from 30th June to 29th July, kindly don't give any document to the BLO, and BLOs are instructed already not to collect any document for the sake of during the enumeration period. So the documents may be needed not from everybody, only for those who get notices after the draft roll, that is after 5th of August. So this period is already mentioned in the notification also. So we do not know how many will be getting notices and for what reason. So I could comment on all those aspects only after the draft roll is published. So I request all the voters once again, kindly you will be receiving the enumeration form to your address. If the house is locked, the form will be slipped into your house and a sticker will be pasted on the door of your house, and it will have the BLO's name, BLO's mobile number, and the date of next visit of the BLO. So I request all of you, kindly fill the form, sign the form and hand over it to BLO. Whoever fills the form and signs the form and hand over it to the BLO, their name will be definitely there in the draft roll. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ BLOs ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ,
ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಯಾವುದು?
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಚೆಕ್
BLOs ಹೆಸರು ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, definitely. Yeah, recently ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು 2 people have met with an accident, so I need to change the name. ಅದು ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅಂತದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Thank you. So once again, I sincerely thank all the friends from media, both print media, electronic media, social media, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಂದನೂ ತಾವು ನೀಡಿರುವ ಸಹಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ, ತಮ್ಮ ಸಲಹೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಮುಟ್ಟುವುದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ತಾವು ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ all your suggestions will be definitely taken seriously